Is this machine?
That's not important, is it? You shouldn't stop or anything.
I'm not.
I see you like armor. She likes you too.
Be careful. He's an enemy. Anyone in this city is an enemy.
You don't look very human. Are you one? No, you're not human at all. Hey, don't worry, I won't bite. My teeth aren't even real, see? So, what's your name?
Mizuno.
Well then, pleased to meet you, Mizuno.
I don't think you should talk to him.
Have you been following me in the last couple minutes?
Smart boy. You know, Mizuno, it's not that easy to trust people, especially when you're in the middle of a competition. Before approaching you, I'd make sure you weren't one of those nutcases that attack without reason.
That's enough. We shouldn't engage in conversation.
Why would you want to approach me?
I'm trying to get more info about the oh-so-mysterious Law of Talos. You wouldn't by any chance know about it, would you?
See, you're ignoring me.
I just want to help him.
Eh?
I mean, no.
I thought so. You look just as confused as everyone.
Why would you help him? Don't you remember what I said?
He doesn't look hostile.
Sheesh. I'd kill for a violin right now. Do you have one?
No, but perhaps I could build one.
That's very nice of you. How did you learn to build violins?
I've read about it once. In some books.
Do you like books? So is that why you're here?
No,
You shouldn't be talking about you. You shouldn't be talking to him at all.
You know I don't like to be alone.
A friend? Is that what you want? I can help you if you wish. It's easier to survive this whole tournament with someone by your side, that's for sure. Let's make a deal. Help us, and I'll help you get what you want. Dearie me, Arma. How could you do that? You devious bird.
Oh, I can't believe it. See, I told you.
Bad Arma.
You should have heard me.
Why? Why did you do that?
You know, Mizuno, it's not easy to trust people, especially when you're in the middle of a competition.
Now you understand. That's what I was talking about. But you still believe you can befriend the others. Well, not in this place. Not in this tournament. We must stay focused and find a way to get what we need. And to get what we need, we must defeat them first.
Now, would you look at that? I thought kids in water didn't come along very well.
Achoo!
You chose a very convenient place to meet me, didn't you? Haha, yes, that's right. Hate me! There's no problem with that. We'll only draw you forward! What's wrong, Aqua Boy? You fight like you're dying. Feeling a little uneasy? Wait, time! Lift me up, Arma. How sad. There goes my violin. Arma, wait. Let's have a break time now.
I know. I'm sorry. But I thought I have found...
You come with us. We detected an anomaly in the last hourly analysis. Report. A small field in the industrial sector has started to catalyze its surroundings. Variation of 2.37%. Show me details.
Castle?
Oh look! Here's Jackie!
It's good to see you too.
So, Mr. Jack, how can I help you? Is everything alright?
Now that you have mentioned that, we have a problema.